My name is Reynaldo Del Rio. I am a freelancer from Chicago, Illinois, and I am a DACA recipient. I'm participating in the Winter 2020 California-Mexico Dreamer Study Abroad program, and I'm applying for Advance Parole because I wish to go to Mexico with the rest of my fellow students. On this trip, we'll learn about the importance of national security on both sides of our southern border. In short, this trip will be an exceptional educational experience, but more than that, it will also be a great humanitarian gesture. You see, a little background about me is that I left Mexico when I was just a kid. I was just a little boy, and I left behind friends and family. And although I'm happy to call this country my home, I think it's important we embrace where we come from. This trip will do just that for me. It will reconnect me to that which I left behind 20 years ago. If granted, this will be the first time I get to leave the United States. But unlike most of you, or most of my friends, this will not be a vacation. This is more personal. This is an educational matter. Nevertheless, I need your help. We need your help. You see, this short clip tells my story. But like me, there's many of us out there applying for a advanced parole application. And we are reaching out to you, our communities, our representatives, in my case, Senators Richard Durbin and Tammy Duckworth, to contact Congress or to simply share this video in support of all of our advanced parole applications. It would mean the world to us, and you can make a difference.